Hey guys, Pastor Tim here with another construction update. Like I told you last week, what you'll be seeing this week is a lot of stuff being done on the outside. So behind me there are digging up the concrete for that front patio area, getting that all prepped so we can re-pour and have a nice, clean, brand new patio. You'll see a lot of stuff being done all around the outside here as far as the weed abatement, getting ready to resurface the entire parking lot, restripe it so everything looks really good for our grand opening. So exciting stuff. I'm going to keep you updated every single week.